Hi everyone. So I have just attended a little workshop for CZTs, and I just wanted to show you some of the things that we worked on. I'm not going to get into the detail of how we did it. I just thought I would just share with you some of the finished product. So here's one of them. I'm going to open it up. It's a little book. And you can tie it together to show the little book. But you have all the different pages that you've tangled. And you can put poetry in there and various things like that. But I thought that was kind of an interesting little 3D book that we made. Let's get the rest of it out here. There's one that I enjoyed. Colorful. I love these colors together in that pattern. I really enjoyed making these two that have the different colors in those streams. That was very nice, fun. Let's see if I got that the right way. I guess it goes this way. That was fun as well. All of them are fun. This is a little shiny garden. This, believe it or not, is working with initials and letters, which was really fun. I just love the beehive type of thing. That was really fun as well. A little bit more drawing. Now this one I kind of have to put together for you. It's 4 tiles, and let's see if we can let me get it down here to where you can see it. So there's 4 tiles, and you can put it together that way, but you can also turn these tiles and everything should kind of fit together. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So now we have a heart in the center. Like that. So that's a fun way if you have a group activity or something like that. You can work it out. That was fun. Alright, now this is another one where this is the background and then you do your there. I had a lot of fun with this. I had some ideas with this tile. Not so much the background for me, but this tile was a lot of fun. So I enjoyed myself with all of these. This got into a little bit more three-dimensional and some tactile things where you can't really see because I've used such a dark color. Maybe if I brought it up, you could see. And I'll switch it to the side. Yeah, see where I've sewn and made some French knots on there. So, and then little embellishments here and there. So that was interesting and fun. And I really liked and I'll explore this one a little bit more. Not so much this as the background to that. It was really interesting, so I think I'm going to explore that a little bit more. This was fun. This, you made your own box, and then you have all your tiles here, and they did like a waterfall presentation. I did not do that, but I liked having it in the box. So I do have a presentation that I'm going to be giving coming up, and so the presentation, I went ahead and got everything ready for it, and it's all in this box, so it's nice and convenient for me. So I liked that. And then the last thing that we did with this, and I loved this. This was really neat. And basically, it was supposed to kind of imitate some of the inlaid wood inlays and things from wood. So this kind of represents some wood texture, stuff like that. But I really enjoyed that. So I just wanted to give you a quick heads up on some of the things that I've been doing and working on for me personally, to improve my skills and to get ideas for more classes and things like that. So I hope you enjoyed them, and I will talk with you in the next video. Take care, everyone.